Hey, this is Dr. David Haase, and with the MaxWell Clinic, and I consider our place a laboratory for figuring out the mystery of what creates health. It's been a passion of mine since I've been at the Mayo Clinic, and I was walking down the corridor, and I still remember the place where I was, and the Epiphany hit me that, wait a second, I didn't go to medical school just to learn how to diagnose and treat disease. Also went to medical school with the desire to learn what creates health. But interestingly enough, that wasn't the emphasis. And that has nothing to do because my job as a physician is to diagnose and treat. So growing our field of medicine into a medicine that creates health is part of my mission in life. So let me give you a way of thinking about the ingredients that it takes to create health. That's very simple, because when we're implementing a systems medicine approach, everything can feel very complex. Because if we're going to engage a human, the most remarkably complex structure in the known universe, we're going to have to get a lot of information and understand you at a deep level. But there are 4 actions which are profoundly important and central to every aspect of creating health. And the first thing is that to recognize that your body is doing the health creation itself. You are a factory of health, and you make health. And now what are the 4 things that we can do as a clinician to help you utilize your available resources for your best purposes, to get the result you want in life? These 4 things all start with an R. First thing is remove. If one of my mentors, Sidney Baker, said that if you're sitting on a tack, it takes a lot of aspirin to feel better. And that's absolutely true, right? If you are inhibited and being harmed by something, one of the most important things that we can do is to dig in and figure out, what do we need to remove? Is there an infection, a toxin, an allergen, a belief system, a behavior, a relationship? All of these things, what needs to be removed from your system in order for your body to be able to better create health? The second thing is replenish. What are you deficient on? You need oxygen and water, but you also need a multitude of nutrients. You need activity, you need sun, you need sleep. You need messages and signals in the body. You need hormones. You need all types of cellular materials that can be gotten through the diet, through supplementation, through IV therapy. We have to not just remove, but replenish. Thirdly, we want to retrain. A lot of what we call disease is the body has gotten into a maladaptive cycle. We've gotten stuck in a rut. Diabetes is kind of getting stuck in the rut of insulin resistance. Depression, when we evaluate a brain looking at quantitative EEG, measuring the electrical activity in the brain, we can show people that there are certain electrical ruts that people fall into in their brain that will make it more likely they'll experience the world in something we call depression. Well, if you're stuck in a rut or you're stuck in a problematic pattern, we need to retrain that pattern. So we utilize neurofeedback to retrain brainwave patterns. We utilize dietary therapy, neuroplastic therapies, any other type of neurotherapy and metabolic therapies to help reset or retrain the body and your life experience and get you out of the rut so your body can then create health again. And then finally, the 4th R is repair. We're very proud of our plasma exchange center. We've been pioneering habitat optimizing plasma exchange to stimulate tissue-resident stem cell activity in the body. This has been shown to be useful not just in reversing autoimmune diseases and slowing the progression of Alzheimer's disease, but also in treating the underlying mechanisms of aging. Because aging is essentially more degeneration than regeneration in any given time. So if you have degenerated substantially, guess what? You need to repair. We're also pioneering several stem cell therapies, exosome therapies, things that turn on the body's ability to repair. And if you put all these together, and you do this with your clinician, MaxWell Clinic, is to think about what is bad that I need to remove, what is good that I need to replenish, what rut am I stuck in that I need to retrain, and what is damaged that I need to repair. There's a multitude of detail in those 4 categories, but I want you to know that your body already knows how to create health. And there may just be a few small barriers that need to be addressed in order for you to access the health that you are capable of producing for yourself. Anyway, we'd love to be a part of your health journey. Take care.